Hello everyone. Today we will look at how to conduct an online Vivo's OC session through Zoom.
Now we shall see how the student should go about with the Viva OC exam on Zoom. The student should log in to the Zoom using the given ID and the password. The display shows join, then click on the join icon. Then the display will show please wait, the meeting host will let you in. The chief examiner will let you in. Until then you will be in the waiting room unless you are admitted in. Once the examiner admits you into the room, the display shows host is inviting you. Then click on the join icon on your screen. When you are in the room with the examiner, you have to unmute your audio by clicking on the join audio icon which is present on the left lower corner. Then click on call via device audio or any headset audio if you are wearing a headset. Then click the video button so that the video streaming is also on. Then the examiner will ask you set of questions for which you will have to answer. During the session, anytime if the student has any issues, you can ask for help. You can talk to the examiner by click on the screen. The icons will appear. On the right lower corner, there is a icon called more. Click on it and then click on chat button where you can type, or you can click on raise hand. If you want to talk to the chief examiner, click on the screen. The icons appear. On the left upper corner, an icon appears stating ask for help. Click on it and the chief examiner will receive the information. Once the Viva is over, the student will wait till he or she is shifted to another room. The screen shows the host is inviting you to join another room. Then you have to click on join icon. Now the second examiner will ask you set of questions for which you will have to answer. Finish your Viva with all the examiners. Then you will be asked to leave the breakout room. There is an icon on the right upper corner says that leave. You need to click on the leave icon. There appears leave meeting, leave breakout room. Click on leave breakout room to join the mainstream. If you have finished with all the examiners and no clarifications required, then you can click on leave meeting to leave the Viva OC exam. Please note, once you select the leave meeting button, you will be taken out of the Viva OC exams. Hence, press this button only after finishing with all the examiners and to exit the Viva OC exam only.
Ramya MP will be a student.
Sir,
Yeah, you can unmute and you can also video let it be on because it will be a live video session.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What you can do is now you will act as a student.
Okay,
You'll be
sir.
acting as a student and you'll be entering into each and every room as an examiner room, in each and every
Okay,
examiner
sir.
room. So once you finish session in one of the examiner, they will tell you to there. Then they will give you information to me. Then I will shift you to say second room and third room and fourth room. Like that, you will be shifted to one each and every room. And finally, when the examination is over,
Okay, sir.
final examiner will tell you that you can leave the session. Till that time, you will be in the session. Okay.
Okay, fine, sir.
I'll be shifting you to one each and every room. They will ask you so 1 or 2 general questions, and like you will be conducting like a demo.
Okay. Okay, fine, sir.
First examiner will be for you will be Shilpa, Dr. Shilpa.
Okay, sir.
Then the second examiner will be Ramya, Raghunandan, Anita. So you'll be passing this, and finally you'll be leaving the session after Dr. Anita. And in case you have some issues, I'll be putting you to the waiting room where you'll be waiting in the waiting room, or you can leave the waiting room also. I'll put you to Shilpa. Madam, yeah, like now you're acting as an examiner. A student is coming to you. The student name is Dr. Ramya. So student is Ramya. So he will be asking some general questions, 1 or 2 general questions. So 1 or 2. Once you finish the general questions, you can ask for help for me. Then I will come in for the help, or I will shift out to some other.
Okay, sir.
Once you finish the session, you can ask for the help.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Can you switch on your video?
Hello, sir.
Because it's an online live Viva,
Okay.
so your video should be on.
Okay, sir. I'm at home, sir.
It's okay, no issue. I hope you are comfortable. No issues. So, like now, Shilpa is like Ramya will come as a student to you. So she'll be shifting from one room to other room. You just ask 1 or 2 general questions, as if that you have done some Viva. Then you ask for help to me, so that I will shift out to some other room. So once she completes all the rooms, no, then she will leave the session, or I will put her to waiting room. One other thing. You can just wait here for some time. Then I will be shifting Ramya to your room later. Yeah, please go on.
Okay, shall we start, sir?
Yeah, you can go on.
Okay. I can't see Ramya, sir.
Yeah, am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are audible. Okay. So shall we start your Viva session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope you are briefed with the general instruction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first question is, which of the following routes is parental route of drug administration?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
do you need
Sorry, ma'am. Which are the?
Which of the following routes is parental route of drug administration?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So option A, topical.
Okay, ma'am.
Option B, oral.
Okay, ma'am.
Option C, intravenous.
Okay.
Option D, rectal.
Intravenous.
Intravenous. Okay. So moving on to next question. Drug of choice for anaphylactic shock is
Okay.
A. Do you want the option?
Anaphylactic shock, adrenaline, ma'am.
Adrenaline. Okay, very good. So, sir,
Yeah, you can come. You can tell the student to leave.
leave. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Ramya, we are done with your Viva session. You can leave the meeting.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.